And it's always nice to check the new variants from the Westfalia lineup. This like the Columbus 540 for the 2025 edition. Checking up if we get some changes from last year's, and also the new Fiat Ducato chassis for 2025 that actually incorporates all the same engines. Even if you have Citroën or Peugeot, you will get always the Fiat engines. So checking up 4 Schlafplätze, so it means you have 4 sleeping space for this 540 Campervan. The great looking slide out from the outside, and shall be entering inside. We have this Dometic tower fridge in the front. Entering inside, we are getting the standard new Fiat Ducato chassis, but with manual climate control and not all in digital dashboard. From this part, we have the table and storage unit. On the upper part, we have a standard pop-up roof with standard but pretty deep and big cushioned mattress. And on this side, we have one big cabinet and a smaller cabinet, and then we are looking at this pretty super great comfy sitting for 2 people. On this part we have a pretty great finish area with the same slide out and 3 cabinets on this part. Right up here, then an additional cabinet from this part with slide out. Not bad at all. Then deep sink, pop-up small cabinet right up there, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cabinets for your belongings on your actual bedding situation, pretty deep with passage. But looking this bed, it's actually not so wide, and actually designed actually hold almost 2 people. It's pretty small at about 1.88, and less large part is 1.1, and from this part we are looking at about to the door also 1.2, so just slightly bigger. And if we are looking at the actual Tedford cassette toilet, we have a separate shower unit, some slide 1 million, oh yeah, but nothing special. Getting out and checking out the back side of this Columbus 2025, so you can understand the actual widest part. Right up here we are looking at about 1.065, and if you are looking at the widest part right up there, we are looking 1.8, so it will be almost fitting 1 bike. And getting out, so we get an additional look of this Columbus Campervan for 2025.